Okay, let's look at each of these. So here we have our type and here we have our name, but we don't put a space, we put a dash here. And honestly, that's really no different than just writing something like string name. Java won't be able to see these as separate words, and it will cause an error because it thinks you're trying to declare a variable without giving it a type. Oops, and apparently we also forgot a semicolon. That's no good. So this has a lot of problems. Okay, let's look at the next one. String is a correct data type, so that's all good. But over here, the variable name, we're breaking a variable naming rule. Variable names really can't contain miscellaneous punctuation like these quotes here. Whoever's just declared this variable might be confusing the variable name, which is just a type word, with the value, which is a string and must be surrounded by quotes. So, variable names can't have weird punctuation in them. Strings require you to surround them by quotes. Okay, on this last one, the data type looks correct. And now we have name on profile. Well, this is actually breaking one of the variable naming rules, which is that in your variable name, you can't have spaces. Java is basically going to see the word name and expect to have some sort of initialization off of it or a semicolon or something. It won't expect for the name to continue after there's a space. So how do we solve this? Well, usually if we want a name like this, we'd just write it in camel case. So you could write something out like name on profile with the O and P being capitalized and no spaces in between. And this is a great variable name, especially if you want to be able to include all of these words.